Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a review that I did on these beautiful cluster lashes from Kiss. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell. I post videos about a little bit of everything. Makeup, wig installs, hair reviews, vlogs, hauls, a little bit of it all. Everything over here is beginner friendly, even this video that you're getting into. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I know I'm probably a little tardy to the party, because I always am, but y'all forgive me. I picked these little babies up at Ulta. So, if you've been following my channel, you know that I do Impress press-on nails whenever I need a little quick pick-me-up something. Or I'm not in the mood to wear acrylics. Like I have on acrylic now because I'm going out of town. And, but anyways, Impress has came out with false eyelashes. Now, this is supposed to be pre-bond technology. No glue needed, just press on and go. I have it in the style voluminous volume. Y'all, I don't know what volume lash extension look. It comes with 20 clusters and it says 2 to 3 full applications. So it has the instructions on the back of how to use it. It comes with the, I would call these tweezers, but I'm not sure what they call them. I would call them tweezers, but they call it an applicator. So you're gonna pick up the cluster from a tray, place the cluster underneath your natural lashes, squeeze cluster and natural lashes together with the applicator. And then it says instructions on how to remove with clean hands. Use your fingers to remove the clusters by gently lifting them off, starting with the band side. So they also have a little barcode down here in the corner where you can scan and watch how to apply video. If this video doesn't help you, you know, y'all need a little bit more extra help, but y'all know we do all things beginner friendly over here. So I'm hoping this is like a good dupe for a good lash extension, or you know, for when I don't want to wear strips. Because I do have some that I like that I reviewed before on this channel, but I hadn't worn those in a while because I've been wearing my strips. So this is what it looks like fresh out the package. Of course, I am dropping stuff because I always drop stuff, but this is what the lashes look like. And this is the applicator, and so we are supposed to pull one up, put it on the bottom of the lash, right? Yeah, underneath natural lash, put it underneath there, and then that's supposed to be it. Not supposed to need any adhesive, so let's give it a try. I like this applicator. It's long, but I like it. I believe all of these are the same length, so that's nice. I feel like nails make your life complicated. I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, I just think I just wear them because I want to be cute. But I think they make my life complicated just a little bit. Okay, so I don't know if I want to use this applicator or not. Maybe I need to change sides. Yeah, I'm struggling. Okay, so let's try this out. Give it a try. So boom. Okay. Okay, boom. Stuck right on too. Okay, let's see. Let's keep going. I think maybe I'm picking them up wrong. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I got that in the way. Okay, now I know they said volume, but they're not looking too volumish to me. Y'all know I like my lashes to be a little extra sometimes, but that's okay. I can be a basic cutie. Now, I don't like them being too extra like those ones I got from Temu now. Woo, them was not, that was not for you, girl. Let me tell you that. It was not for me. But I do like a little, so I like the C-style shape lashes. So I like when, you know. But these definitely give the natural lash vibe. They look like I just got some good mascara on. Okay, I'm having problems getting this one to stay on. Yeah, I'm having problems getting that one to stay on. We're gonna have to, I'm gonna try one of these other ones and see if I have better luck with it. I feel like I'm pulling too much when I pull them off the thing, and I'm maybe taking some of the adhesive off. See, I don't know how far the bun goes down, so I don't know if I'm messing up or not. Okay, so they very simple. I think I would like a little, let me try not to snatch it out from the top, because I think that's where I'm messing up at. This would be some cute everyday natural lashes. They're definitely easy to apply. It's just like the instructions say it. You just want to take it and go underneath your eyelash and sit it there. If it goes. I also think I used a different type of cluster lash, and I think I'm just used to that applicator, and so I'm struggling with this one. Typically with my other one I can get away with about 5 clusters, and so I think this one I've used 5 so far. No, yeah, I've used 5 so far, so that's still good. I'm gonna add one more to, why am I, okay, so this is my first time. I was like, why am I acting like I'm a beginner? But this is my first time using these, so I think that's understandable. My other ones, I would have had them on and out the door already, let me tell y'all. But if this is an easier product and y'all can use it and I can use it, hey, we on to something. So it definitely, y'all see the difference. You can see the difference. It's giving me that curl lash vibe. I like it. So I'm gonna apply one more. I think I finally got the hang of pulling it off of here, because obviously I've been messing up. But it's not a good video if I don't mess up, right?
Fråga inte vad som hände mig. Fråga inte vad som kommer sen när allt är över. Det spelar ingen roll. För jag har inget att säga, inget att prata om. Du vet redan vad jag behöver.
Okay, y'all, so after 12 minutes, I finally got one eye maybe finished. So before I push them together, I want to make sure they're not actually on my eyelid. You want to make sure they're not on your eyelid because they will dry your eye. Like your eye is gonna water like crazy if it's on the if it's like on the inside of your eyelid. So I'm making sure to push it up. They look very natural though. So I'm making sure to push it up to make sure that it's not actually on my lash band. Sorry if my camera keep unfocusing, but yeah, I think they look really natural. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about these, okay? Okay, y'all, so this is what we looking like so far. I think they're cute. I think they're very pretty. Beginner friendly. I don't know if I would say they're beginner friendly because I struggle putting them on, and I know how to put lashes on underneath my eye. I think my problem is, you know, like it said, they're pre-glued, so it was sticking to the applicator, and because I have nails on, it's hard for me. I couldn't really use my fingers, so I had to use the applicator. Also, if you like me and you like this eyelash on the inside, like I like mine to come all the way down, the applicator is not always your friend. Like me trying to place this, it kept hitting my nose, so I had to try to do it the best I could with my hand. But as far as the lashes, they're beautiful. Y'all know I love Kiss lashes. Like my favorite all-time lash is these right here, the Royal Silk, you know, lashes from the Luxe Extensions collection, which gives you that eyelash, individual lash extension look. That's what these give you, but that's what these give you too. These are clusters and they're pre-glued. And would I say they're beginner friendly? Yes. But would I say you need to have some patience? Yes. Like if you think you're gonna get these on in like 10 to 15 minutes to get out the door, no ma'am. Like when you pick this up, go home, practice. Like give yourself 30 minutes to an hour to put them on, because it took me probably 20 to 30 minutes to put them on myself. Not 30 minutes, it took me probably 20 minutes to put them on. But I'm also semi-perfectionist, y'all know that. You know, we're not gonna get into all of that. But they are pretty. Like they're really pretty. They look really, really natural. Like they give eyelash extensions vibes. Like kudos to Kiss. Like press on extension look is what it's called. Kudos to them, because they do give the lash extensions vibe. Like I'm gonna go pick up some more and I'm gonna keep trying. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this. Would y'all try them? Like would y'all go out and purchase these and try them? Was this video helpful to anybody? Cause my goodness, I hope it was. I keep looking down because I'm trying to see how I feel about them, because y'all know my other lashes are a little bit more, like these are C-style, they're curled more, and these have more volume than curl. And I realized I like curl lashes because I have big eyes. You know, I know my lane and I stay in it. But these give off a very cute, sultry, natural vibe. Like this is an everyday lash, and that's why I think I want to give these a try again. Because also I don't think it says on here how long the wear is, so I don't know how long. Okay, so secure 24-hour hold, easy removal, safe for natural lashes, meaning that you probably can wear these for about a day or two, depending on how you take care of them, how you sleep. If you rub your eyes or any of that, you probably not gonna, you know. And I think I forgot to tell or show you guys to use the applicator to you know, mesh the adhesive with your natural lash. Don't forget that either. That gives you that longer. But if you are like going out with your friends and you don't want to, you know, use any eyelash glue, or you're afraid that you're going to be sweating, like we talked about, summertime's coming up, this is something you could wear and you probably wouldn't. I mean, they feel really lightweight. It feels just like my lashes, especially this eye over here. Now this eye over here, I think, you know, my first initial eye that I was struggling with, we're gonna talk about that, but they feel very lightweight and simple and yeah, I would wear them. They feel, I mean, it feels just like my eyelashes. So would I recommend? Yes, go ahead and pick them up. Try it. Whether or not it's actually beginner friendly, you know, it's perfect for you to try to get used to wearing lashes underneath your band. And if you're afraid to use your own adhesive or on eyelash glue or any of that, especially when it comes to putting things underneath the eye, yes, I would recommend this because it comes pre-bond and it's for sensitive eyes, and it's not gonna, you know, you don't want to wake up and your eyes are matted together. You don't have to worry about any of that. Like you would if you did your own individual lashes or individual clusters using eyelash glue. So I would say they're beginner friendly. I would say go and pick them up. Go ahead and try them out. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about this. Also be on the look for this details on this hair and this wig install that will be coming as well. I was in the process of doing my hair and I was like, you know what, I hadn't done an eyelash video in a while, so let me jump on here and show the girlies what I picked up and put my tribe on. So y'all know it's all love. It's all love. So comment down below how you feel about this. Would you try it? Have you heard about them? Have you seen other people reviewing them? What did you hear when you saw other people review them? Like, is this your first time hearing about it? Comment down below. Holla at you, girl. Let me know. I try to respond to all comments and I try to be engaged. So make sure you comment down below and let me know something. Also, share this video if you found it helpful. We're trying to grow our little community over here. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribed if you hadn't already, and shared this video with somebody that needs to know about this. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.